Imagine this for a second, stadiums roaring, millions watching from the USA to Mumbai, and one question echoing louder than any cheer. Is this the Indian squad that will finally dominate the T20 World Cup 2026? Because one wrong selection, one weak link, and India's dream could collapse in just 20 overs. Sounds scary? Good, let's begin. The T20 World Cup 2026 is not just another tournament for India. It's a test of evolution. The game has changed, faster power plays, fearless batting, and bowlers who think like chess grandmasters. For India, the pressure is massive. Fans still remember past heartbreaks. And here's the uncomfortable truth: reputation alone won't win trophies anymore. So the selectors face a brutal question: do they trust experience or gamble on fearless youth? Because T20 cricket doesn't forgive hesitation. Miss one over and boom, the match is gone. And yes, no pressure at all. At the top, Rohit Sharma remains a likely leader if fitness and form hold up. Calm, experienced, and still capable of explosive starts. Alongside him, Yashasvi Jaiswal feels almost inevitable. Young, aggressive, and absolutely allergic to fear. He doesn't just play shots, he sends messages. Transitioning to the middle order, things get even more intense. Act 2, the confrontation, power, balance, and tough calls. This is where excitement meets anxiety. Virat Kohli in T20s, do you take him? Most likely yes. Big matches demand big nerves, and Kohli's presence alone scares opponents. But here's the twist: strike rate matters more than legacy now. Can he adapt again? That question keeps selectors awake at night. Then comes Suryakumar Yadav, Mr. 360, the human highlight reel. If confidence had a face, it would be his reverse scoop over fine leg. And let's be honest, when Sky bats, even bowlers look confused, like, is this legal? Hardik Pandya slots in as the ultimate game changer. Bat, bowl, field attitude, he brings controlled chaos. On his day, he wins matches alone. On a bad day, well, let's not jinx it. Add Rishabh Pant or Sanju Samson as wicketkeeper, and suddenly the batting looks explosive but slightly risky. High reward, high danger. Now pause for a second, what's scarier? A batting collapse or no wicket-taking bowlers? Exactly. Let's move on. Act 3, the resolution, firepower, strategy, and one final surprise. India's bowling attack could decide everything. Jasprit Bumrah is non-negotiable. Death overs, pressure, silence the crowd, he's the man. Arshdeep Singh likely partners him, especially for swing and left-arm variety. Spin brings strategy. Kuldeep Yadav's comeback story makes him a strong pick. He turns the ball and, more importantly, turns matches. Add Ravindra Jadeja for balance, athletic fielding, and clutch moments. Because T20s aren't won only with wickets, they're won with saved runs. And here comes the cliffhanger. One uncapped or surprise pick could shake everything up. A mystery pacer, a fearless finisher, someone the world isn't ready for yet. India has done this before, and when it works, it's unforgettable. So will this squad dominate, or will one bold decision change history forever? That answer is waiting in 2026. If you enjoyed this deep dive into India's future, don't stop here. Click on my next video, Top 10 Unbelievable Moments Caught on Camera, 2025 edition, because trust me, what you're about to see there is just as shocking as a last ball six in a World Cup final.